In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add full-width images in Wix. If you're using Wix Studio or any Wix editors that offer more control over your layout, you'll find this process quite straightforward. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate full-width images into your website design. First, let's begin by adding your image to the site. Navigate to the Add panel, which is your gateway to various media options. Once you're there, select Media, then Image. This will open up a range of options for you to choose from. Whether you opt to upload a new image from your device or select an existing one in your media library, Wix provides a simple interface to help you get started. Once your image is on the canvas, it's time to make it span the full width of your site. Now, select the image on your canvas to focus on it. Once selected, it's time to open the Inspector panel. The Inspector is key to customizing elements on your Wix site, and for images, it offers precise control over dimensions and layout. When you're in the Inspector panel, look for the Width setting. Adjust the width to 100 dpi. VW stands for viewport width, ensuring your image stretches to fill the full width of the browser window. Alternatively, you can use the stretch settings offered by Wix. The stretch option should be available directly in the settings menu, allowing the image to expand across the page. Remember to check if there's a max width setting in play. If there is, ensure it is turned off, because this can sometimes restrict the image from reaching full width. An important aspect to consider is how your image behaves across different screen sizes. To make your image responsive, you have the option to set it to scale fluidly. This ensures that your image resizes proportionally, maintaining its quality and appearance across devices, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop. In the Inspector panel, explore the scaling options and choose to set the image to scale proportionally or fluidly. This little adjustment ensures that your image looks fantastic, providing a consistent user experience on any device. There you have it. With these steps, you've transformed a simple image into a dynamic, full-width display that enhances the visual appeal of your Wix site. By leveraging Wix's flexibility and layout control, you've now mastered the art of integrating impressive, responsive images that can captivate your audience. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Wix's support resources or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.